Uh, yeah, I would like to know how AI and ML will impact the college student and freshers. Yes. So how it impacts the college students and freshers? Obviously, for the freshers, they should have to understand the 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 area where they want to go into, their interest area. Interest area. Why I'm saying there nowadays there are a lot many areas where you can choose your skill set. But yes, particularly if we are talking about your interest, because in the interest that will added it with your skill and make it fast. So this is my advice, that whenever you have to choose something, you have to be go with your interest. Where is your interest? If your interest is in coding side, then go with the coding side. If your interest is with the development, or something with the creativity, so do you go with that particular angle. So I think in that way you can accelerate the things on in your particular area, and you can gain things early. So these are the certain questions that we have to address.